Dear students, I am Sandeep Tiwari, your physics teacher. Today, I will solve some more problems of these chapters. Question number 1. Determine the equivalent capacitance between A and B. See the figure. In given network, the capacitance of C1 and C3 are in parallel between A and D. Therefore, the equivalent capacitance between A and D is, let us consider C dash. We know that in series the equivalent capacitance is C1 plus C2. Therefore 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 microfarad. Hence the above network can be replaced by adjoining circuit. Now between A and B, C dash and C2 are in series and C4 in parallel. Hence the equivalent capacitance between A and B is C dash into C2 upon C dash plus C2 plus C4. Putting the value of C dash, C2 and C4, then we get 8 by 3 microfarad. Next question. In the given circuit, calculate charge accumulated on both the capacitors. See the diagram. In the steady state, current in the circuit I is equal to V by R1 plus R2 plus small r. Putting the value of capital V, R1, R2 and small r, then we get I is equal to 2 ampere. Now potential difference between the ends of the capacitor. V is equal to IR I into R1 plus R2. Putting the value of I and R1 R2, then we get V is equal to 18 volt. The equivalent capacitance between A and B is C is equal to C1 C2 by C1 plus C2, because both the capacitor in series. Therefore by solving we get 2.4 microfarad. Charge on the both capacitor is, we know that Q is equal to C into V. Putting the value of C and V, then we get 43.2 microcoulomb. Next question. Calculate the increase in energy of capacitor of capacity 10 microfarad when its potential is raised from 100 volt to 200 volt. Solution. The initial energy stored in the capacitor is U1 is equal to half C V1 square. Putting the value of C and V1, then we get 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 joule. The final energy stored is E2. U2 is equal to 1 by 2 C V2 square. Putting the value of C and V2, then we get 20 into 10 to the power minus 2 joule. Therefore increase in energy is equal to del U, that means U2 minus U1. Putting the value of U2 and U1, then we get 15 into 10 to the power minus 2 joule.